I did end up doing 4 different hairstyles. They're super simple to do. This wig is for pre-styled, pre-cut lace, pre-plucked hairlines, pre-bleached knot. Just put the wig on my head. So here's the first look, super simple. All I had to do was curl the wig and put it on my head and go. For the second hairstyle, I'm going to section off where I want my bangs to be, and then I will be parting the hair to have some of the hair going out of my face, like going backwards. And I'm just going to twist those 2 sections and then apply a bobby pin to hold it in place. Yeah, it's a super cute, quick, and easy look. And for the next hairstyle, I decided to do a deep side part. To make it a more flawless blend, I could have just flat ironed my hair or used the pressing comb to blend in with the hair a lot better. It actually just blends in nicely. I was pleasantly surprised by that. So you don't have to worry about your hair being exactly this color if you want to do like a deep side part and you want to wear it behind your ear like this. And the textures are different. It would be a flawless, unclockable match. And for the last look, I'm going to do a side part. I'm going to section off where I want my bangs to be, and then I am basically just going to do a kind of swoop in the front and a ponytail. Super, super quick and easy. So which hairstyle was your favorite? Comment 1, 2, 3, or 4 in the comment section.